Am I right, driving the bus? We've got the best driver in the Shire, Danilo. Say hello to Danilo.
4'2". And also you might remember that at the hill to go to the artist Hobbit home, so I can take some photos of you.
Ja, fin farvel.
To be that again, and we swap it. She was playing from in front of these two, so I can tell you what we're gonna do next. Come with me. So today, guys, we've got Joe. You can say hello to Joe, guys.
There's some stuff. There's a barrel room, like a whiskey barrel maybe, or a wine barrel.
It is here I must leave you.
Welcome back. Well, I hope that you enjoyed yourselves, and I just wanted to thank you again for coming along and experiencing Hobbiton.